In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Ethereum wallet to Cash App. Since Cash App mainly supports Bitcoin transfers, you'll first need to convert your crypto into Bitcoin before sending it. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open Cash App and go to the Bitcoin section from the home screen. Scroll down and tap Deposit Bitcoin. If you have not used Bitcoin features before, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity. Follow the steps to complete verification. Once verified, your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address will appear on the screen. Tap Copy Address to copy it. Next, open your Ethereum wallet app such as Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. If the crypto is not already Bitcoin, tap the swap option and convert it into Bitcoin. After the swap is completed, open your Bitcoin balance and tap Send. Paste your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the transaction. Your Bitcoin will then be sent to your Cash App account. Depending on network activity, the transfer may take a few minutes to appear in your balance. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.